In this video, I will be showing you how to make a presentation on Chatgpt to Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I navigate to the left sidebar in Chatgpt and click on Plugins. I scroll down through the list of featured and productivity tools until I find the Creativity section. Here, I locate the Canva plugin and click on it to open its details page. Next, I click the Install Plugin button in the upper right. Once it finishes installing, I click on Try and Chat to start a new prompt session with Canva enabled. In the chat box, I highlight and remove the default suggested prompt, then type in my custom request to create a 5-slide presentation about mental health awareness. Once typed, I click the blue send arrow to submit the prompt. ChatGPT lets me know that it needs access to Canva to fulfill the request, so I click the Connect button. In the pop-up window that appears, I click Sign in with Canva. On the authorization page, I scroll down through the permissions list and click Allow. The screen confirms that authorization was successful and redirects me straight back to ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT presents a few design style options. I select the Surprise Me style option and click Generate. ChatGPT begins processing the request, planning the narrative, and generating the presentation slides along with matching text and visual elements. Once generation finishes, the completed presentation preview appears right in the chat. I review the preview and click the Edit in Canva button on the card. This instantly opens the generated presentation in a new tab inside the Canva editor, where I can click through the slides, inspect the layout, and make any final edits to the text and design. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to make a presentation on ChatGPT to Canva.